This is not a normal car factory, and this is definitely not how most supercars are built. Behind these walls, Lamborghini follows a rule that almost every modern automaker has abandoned. Here, robots are not in control. While the world moves toward full automation, Lamborghini intentionally slows things down. Every step you're about to see is designed around human judgment, human touch, and human responsibility. This factory doesn't chase speed, it chases perfection. Most people believe supercars are made by machines with zero mistakes. But Lamborghini believes the opposite. Because when a car costs more than most houses, perfection cannot be automated. And the reason why Lamborghini refuses full automation is hidden inside this factory.
It's within tolerance. Moving to the next sequence.
Confirmed. Update the status to complete.
Everything begins with the heart of the car, the engine. Unlike mass production lines where engines are assembled in minutes, Lamborghini engines are built slowly, deliberately, and almost ritualistically. Each component is prepared by hand. Every bolt is tightened by a technician who understands exactly how that engine should feel, not just how it should measure. Robots can follow numbers. Humans understand resistance. As carbon fiber components arrive, they are not rushed onto the chassis. They are aligned by eye, checked by hand, and adjusted until every millimeter is perfect. There is no chaos here, no shouting, no speed, only focus. Technicians work in silence, communicating through small gestures and shared experience. This is craftsmanship, not production. Even the smallest imperfections are corrected immediately. Because in this factory, mistakes don't move forward. They disappear. This stage defines the car's soul. Once the engine and body come together, the Lamborghini starts becoming alive. Here's the part Lamborghini rarely talks about. After assembly, the car doesn't go to a robot scanner first. It goes to a human. A master technician listens to the engine, not with sensors but with experience. Tiny vibrations, subtle sounds, microscopic inconsistencies, things machines often ignore, are immediately noticed by trained ears. This inspection has no shortcut. Panels are checked by touch. Gaps are measured by feel. Wiring is examined visually, not digitally.
Look at this reflection here. Yes,
Why?
that's perfect. No orange.
Because robots confirm if something is within limits. Humans know when something feels wrong. Each Lamborghini must pass a final approval that cannot be automated. If the technician isn't satisfied, the car goes back, no matter how expensive or delayed it becomes. Only when a human signs off does the engine come to life. That first ignition is not celebrated loudly. It's respected quietly. Because this is the moment the car proves itself. Inside the cabin, automation almost disappears completely. Leather is stitched by hand. Alcantara is aligned by eye. Every interior panel is checked not for speed, but for comfort, texture, and emotional response. This is where Lamborghini becomes personal. Seats are pressed manually to test firmness. Stitching is inspected under magnification. Even the dashboard placement is done slowly, ensuring symmetry that machines often miss. The interior isn't just installed, it's curated. Technicians clean every surface carefully, removing fingerprints that cameras would never notice, because the owner will. This is why Lamborghini interiors feel alive. They aren't assembled, they're crafted. As the final components come together, the car is treated differently. Wheels are installed by hand. Torque is applied slowly, precisely. When the Lamborghini finally rolls forward, it doesn't rush out of the factory. It pauses. Final inspections happen under real lighting, not artificial test conditions. Panels reflect light evenly. Paint surfaces are studied from multiple angles. Protective films are removed carefully, almost ceremonially. This isn't the end of a process. It's the completion of a responsibility. Each Lamborghini leaves the factory knowing that a human stood behind every decision.
As we complete our walk-around, the muscular rear shoulders and integrated spoiler emphasize the car's performance credentials.
As the factory doors open, the car moves into the real world. Behind it, technicians watch silently. No applause, no celebration, because they already know what they've created. In a world obsessed with automation, Lamborghini chooses craftsmanship. In a world chasing speed, Lamborghini chooses precision. This is why Lamborghini doesn't trust robots, because some machines are built to be driven, but others are built to be felt. Hand-built, not automated.